Your plants will thank you after applying this fertilizer. This liquid organic fertilizer helps nourish plants, stimulate root growth, strengthen stems, and support flower and fruit formation. Its natural nutrients are easily absorbed by plants, making them appear greener, fresher, and healthier. Use this fertilizer regularly according to the recommended dosage. The best time to apply it is in the morning or evening for maximum nutrient absorption. With proper care and regular application of organic fertilizer, plants can grow more vigorously, flower more abundantly, and produce optimal fruit. Never throw away banana peels. Banana peels can be processed into a liquid organic fertilizer that is very beneficial for plants. Banana peels contain potassium, phosphorus, and various nutrients that help plant growth, strengthen roots, stimulate flowering, and improve fruit quality. Making it is quite easy. Cut the banana peels into small pieces and soak them in water for a few days. After soaking, strain the solution and stir thoroughly before use. Benefits of banana peels for plants stimulates flower growth. Banana peels contain potassium, which helps plants flower faster and reduces flower loss. Helps with fruit formation. The potassium and phosphorus content supports fruit formation, resulting in better harvests. Strengthens plant roots. The nutrients in banana peels help root development, making them stronger and healthier. Nutrition. Banana peels contain various nutrients that can support leaf and stem growth. Increases plant resilience. Plants that receive adequate nutrition are generally more resilient to less than ideal environmental conditions. Improves soil fertility. Banana peels processed into organic fertilizer can add organic matter to the soil and support microbial activity. Suitable for various plants. Banana peel fertilizer can be used on chilies, tomatoes, eggplants, cucumbers, ornamental plants, and various fruit plants. Straining liquid organic banana peel fertilizer after the banana peels have been soaked and the fermentation or soaking process is complete. Strain them using a fine cloth or sieve to separate the pulp from the liquid. Straining ensures the liquid fertilizer is cleaner, easier to apply, and won't clog the sprayer's holes when used for foliar spraying. After straining, stir the solution thoroughly and store it in a closed container in a cool, dry place before using it on plants. Applying liquid organic banana peel fertilizer. After filtering the liquid organic banana peel fertilizer, it is ready to be used on plants. Watering the roots. Pour the fertilizer solution around the plant roots so the nutrients can be directly absorbed by the roots. Foliar spraying. Dilute the fertilizer with water first, then spray evenly onto the tops and bottoms of the leaves. Best application time. Apply in the morning before the sun is hot or in the evening after the weather has cooled down for optimal nutrient absorption. Frequency. Apply 1 to 2 times a week to support plant growth, stimulate flowering, and support fruit formation. With regular and proper application, plants will grow healthier, thriving, and produce more flowers and fruit. Liquid organic fertilizer made from banana peels can also be used on mango trees. The potassium and phosphorus content in banana peels can help support root growth, strengthen the plant, and stimulate flower and fruit formation. How to apply to mango trees. Water the fertilizer solution around the root area, especially at the base of the tree's crown. Avoid watering too close to the main trunk. Apply in the morning or evening for better nutrient absorption. Frequency of application. Once or twice a month for large mango trees. Once a week for seedlings or young mango plants. Dilute the dosage. Liquid organic fertilizer made from banana peels can also be used on cucumber, tomato, and chili plants. The potassium and phosphorus content in banana peels helps support plant growth, strengthens roots, stimulates flowering, and aids in better fruit formation. In cucumber plants, this fertilizer helps support the growth of tendrils, flowers, and fruit. In tomato plants, this fertilizer helps flower and fruit formation and maintains plant health. In chili plants, this fertilizer can help stimulate flower emergence and support fruit development. How to apply. Water the fertilizer solution around the plant's roots. It can also be used as a foliar spray after boiling. Apply in the morning or evening. Frequency of application. Apply 1 to 2 times a week regularly to support plant growth and productivity. Thank you for watching my video about liquid organic fertilizer from banana peels.